శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీ దేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Sutta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Chaturmukha describing the glory of Sriman Narayana to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, those who are in this samsara mandalam, again and again they will be going through the cycle of birth and death. They will be taking their birth in three lokas. Those are known as Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha. O Narada, and they will be having ahankaram, mamakaram. Those who are in this samsara mandalam, they will be performing their duties according to their varna ashramas, and all those who are in this samsara mandalam will be always craving for the pleasures. O Narada, but those who are in nitya vibhuti, they will be in eternal bliss. Entire of this jagattu, including nitya vibhuti, leela vibhuti, all this, the main cause behind all this is Sriman Narayana. O Narada, before this entire Srishti, he will be just one and in a very, very subtle form, but he will be associated with Chetana, sentient and insentient. Then from him, Yasmad Andam Virat Jagне, all the Brahmandas comes out. All the Brahmandas becomes his body, his Shariram. O Narada, Yadasyanabhyat Nalinat Aham Asam Mahatmanaha. Then from that Paramapurusha, Virat Purusha, Sriman Narayana's navel, one lotus comes out. That lotus is known as Sankalpam. From that Sankalpam, I am the one who is born with 4 heads. O Narada, when I am born, there was nothing at that time other than me. There is nothing for me to use and worship Paramapurusha. That means there are no yajna sadhanas. So then what I did, I made Paramatma's body parts itself as yajna sadhanas and worshipped Paramatma. Then after me, Marichi and all those 9 Prajapatis, they performed yajnas. Then after that, Manu, Maharshis, Pitrudevatas and all other categorized souls performed yajnas to Paramapurusha. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining the process of Srishti and the glory of Sriman Narayana to Narada Maharshi. The same thing is communicated by Sri Sukha Yogindra to Parikshit Narendra. The same thing is discoursed by Sutta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.